What kind of childhood do you want to have? Dinosaurs? Cars? Tumblers? Windmills? Happily playing with friends? Wait, this is a happy world of Makerzoid Robot Master. Makerzoid Robot Master creates natural playtime for young children. In order to protect the healthy development of their eyesight, they are not too much harmed by electronic screens, and start from building blocks to find the children's inherent creativity and potential. Color is the first thing we perceive in the world. This Robot Master Building Blocks kit divides different components into different colors and sizes, and let children match them freely. After that, children will build basic color recognition and hands-on skills. And these Makerzoid robot models created by themselves will become inseparable partners to accompany them in their future study and life. Let Makerzoid Robot Master join our family life and grow together with children. You can follow the detailed instructions of the Makerzoid 3D model to build blocks with your children in the app, which is very easy to operate. This is not just a simple building block. It involves the construction of the foundation of the world mechanical and electronic knowledge, which allows children to slowly build up a broad world recognition during the process of playing. Makerzoid will accompany you to play, accompany you to learn mechanical and electronic knowledge, levers, elasticity, gravity, gear transmission. You can make all kinds of fun toys here, and they can all interact with you, such as tumbler, jack. Don't worry that Makerzoid can't accompany the children's study and life after they grow up. In fact, our mastery of the basic knowledge of mechanics and physics has established a good learning confidence for us. And we have learned how to solve simple problems. Now is the time to try and face a more complex world. Makerzoid will be coupled with a live-action video instruction to teach you the basics of mechanics, physics, and programming in 3 stages. We can create the building block models ourselves, then use the app to create or remote control them. Discover a world of endless possibilities with a creative robot master kit for girls and boys. This is a great companion for your child to learn while play, invent while explore.